Hey my friend, Will here, and finally back again posting some trade ideas for you. Today we're going to be looking at a possible selling opportunity for the day ahead with the Euro New Zealand dollar. So let's get into the trading breakdown into the video. So I have been pretty busy the last 6 months. I haven't been able to post much content, but now I'm back and let's get going. So today I'm looking to short the Euro New Zealand dollar. We're just going to break it down now. So what I like to do when I'm looking at daily trade setups, I like to look at the daily chart first. And we can see this is in a great uptrend here. Pretty strong. And you can see we're in a channel here at the minute. Did pop above the channel on Friday and sold off heavily. Do suspect this next couple of sessions we'll head down toward the bottom of the trend line. So that is what I'm looking to capitalize on. What I want to also zoom into the 8-hour chart. What I'm noticing here also is, now this indicator here is just the MACD, but I like to use the moving averages. To me, this is a lot more clear for me. We're seeing MACD divergence. Okay, price has been moving higher and the MACD moving down. We're getting a MACD cross. What normally happens when you start to see that is you see a fake out to the upside followed by heavy selling, and that's the play I'm looking to do here today on the Euro New Zealand dollar. So we're going to zoom into the 4-hour chart and just break this down a bit more. Now what I want to do is get the Fibonacci to it up, and from this leg down on Friday, from Friday's high down to today's Asian session low, and going to target in and around the 50 fib level there. So what I like to do, you can see we have a bit of resistance before on the 4-hour chart around 203,900 and 204. So that is what I'm looking to target today. What I want to see on a kind of 15-minute chart, 5 or 15-minute chart is this. We want to see price breaking up higher, up towards the 203,900, 204, and then we get one initial reaction at it, followed by a pop higher on fading momentum. And the way to read this pop higher and fading momentum is a MACD divergence on the 5 or 15-minute chart. And then if you get that signal, market should play out like this down towards the 205 trend line. 2025 trend line. So that's what I'm looking at. So looking to sell up around 239 and 2034, 5 or 15-minute divergence. So just play that again for you, so you can visualize it. Move up, initial reaction, price moves higher, pops a new high, maybe above 203, 203,900, 204. On a MACD divergence on a 5 or 15-minute chart, preferably a 5-minute chart's okay. Then once you see that divergence, that's when I'll be looking to sell. Something like this, and the target will be 202,500, that daily trend line. Stop loss will be above this, so around about 204,300. Just give yourself enough space. Sorry, 203,300, 203,400, and then heading down towards 202,500. Plenty of risk reward there, 3-to-1. So let me know what you think in the description area of this video. If you want to join my free Telegram signal group, there is a link below in the description area, and you can also access my 5-minute scalping system also somewhere down in the description area. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow on a new video. Will over at the FX Ace.